For most beginner scalpers, the problem isn't that you're picking bad trades, it's that nobody ever told you the 3 things that actually separate consistently profitable scalpers from everyone else. These are the things experienced traders stopped thinking about years ago because they already baked them into how they trade, and you're left wondering why your setups look right, but the results keep going the wrong way. So in this video, I'm going to break down all 3 of these secrets, and by the end of this, you're going to understand something that most traders spend years figuring out the hard way. The first secret is your profit-loss ratio. And most beginner scalpers have no idea their system is already broken before they place their first trade. Here's what actually happens. You see a setup, it looks good, you take the trade, you scalp out fast. Maybe you make 50 bucks, feels good, you do it again and again, then one trade goes against you. You don't cut it fast enough, you're down 150. You just wiped out 3 trades in one shot. And that doesn't feel like bad luck, it feels like the game is rigged. But it's not the game, it's your ratio. Here's the math nobody shows you when you're starting out. If your average winner is $50 and your average loser is $150, you need to be right 75% of the time just to break even. 75%. That's an insane number. Even experienced traders struggle to hit that consistently. So when you're still learning, when your accuracy is sitting at 50-55%, you're not just losing, you're mathematically designed to lose. And you had no idea that's going on. When I first started scalping, my average losers were twice the size of my average winners. 2 to 1 against me. That meant I needed to be right 66% of the time just to break even. I wasn't even at 66% because I was still learning the strategy, and I basically set myself up to fail without even realizing it. But here's how you fix this, and the fix is simple. Not easy, but simple. Stop taking trades that don't have at least a 2 to 1 setup in your favor. You're risking 100 to make 200. That's the flaw. Not every trade is going to hit that full target. You might scalp out at 100 instead of 200, and that's fine. The setup had the potential. The important part is when your losses come, and they will come, they're not big enough to undo the trades that work. And then look at what happens to your account over time. It stops bleeding. That's the first secret. Fix the ratio before you even place a trade. The second secret is education intuition. And this is the one that frustrates people because they think it means that some traders are born with a natural feel for the market. Either you have it or you don't. And that's not what it is. And that belief is quietly destroying a lot of beginner scalpers. Here's what educated intuition actually means. It's pattern recognition built up from thousands of hours of watching stocks move. That's it. Sounds less exciting when you put it that way, but that's the secret. Most beginners try to skip this part. They want the setup, they want the indicator, they want someone to tell them where to buy or where to sell, and they never build the foundation that makes any of this actually works. So here's what low educated intuition looks like in practice. Let's say you've got a strategy, you know the entry rules. Let's say you trade stocks. Let's say that stock hit the criteria. You take a trade, but something feels off mid-trade, so you exit early, and then it rips without you. Or let's say it goes the other way. Nothing feels off and you hold for way too long and reverses and hits your stop loss. The strategy was right, you read the situation wrong, but then you think the strategy failed, when really and truly it didn't. Your intuition wasn't there. That's the part that nobody teaches because this is unteachable. You can only build this one morning at a time, one session at a time. Here's how to build it. Every single morning before the market opens, you sit down and watch the scanners, the top gappers, the top gainers, stocks hitting the high of the momentum scan, currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, whatever you trade. You're not trading it, you're just watching, asking why did this stock move, or why did this currency pair move, or why did this cryptocurrency move? What's the catalyst? What does the chart look like at this level? You do this every day for weeks, then months, and your brain starts to recognize quality setups before you can even explain why. That's educated intuition, and it's not a gift, it's a routine. Every profitable scalp trader I know has a routine. Most beginners skip this completely, and that's the second secret. By the way, if you want to go a lot deeper on that foundation, I post all my trades, all my live trades on my second channel, Trade Lab Live. The link will be down below. The third secret is the one most traders never figure out, and it's the reason some people can learn a strategy that works, that actually works with proven results, and still can't make money with it. The strategy fits the math, but it doesn't fit them. Here's what I mean by that. There are scalpers out there going for home runs, low accuracy, big winners when they hit. Maybe they're right 40% of the time, but their winners are 3, maybe even 4 times the size of their losers. On paper, that works. The profit loss ratio covers the low accuracy. You can point to that number and say, hey, this is a profitable strategy. And it is for them. But if you've got a 40% accuracy, that means you're losing 60% of your trades. 6 out of every 10 trades is a loss. And for a lot of traders, and even me included, that is psychologically brutal. Your confidence takes a hit. You start second guessing your entries. You don't want to step up to the plate with real size because deep down, you're not sure if this trade is going to be one of the 40 or one of the 60. And when you don't trade with real size, even when the winners hit, they don't move the needle. Not because the strategy is shit, but because your head isn't in it. I personally struggle when my accuracy is low. I need to be winning most of my trades. That's what gives me the confidence to step up to the plate and take real size and to take setups that qualify without hesitation. I know that about myself. And once I accepted that, I stopped trying to make these kind of strategies that work on paper but don't work for me. The question isn't what strategy has the best profit to loss ratio. The question is, what accuracy level do you need to stay confident when trading? Because if your strategy is grinding you down psychologically every single session, every single day, you're going to make mistakes, you're going to overtrade, you're going to revenge trade, and you're going to blow your account for a reason that never shows up on any back test. So you need to know your number. Know whether you're a high accuracy scalper or a home run trader, and trade accordingly. Most traders never ask themselves that question. They just pick a strategy and wonder why they can't stick with it or why it doesn't work for them. That's the third secret. And honestly, it's the one that took me the longest to figure out. So, scalping has a real Achilles heel. Small average winners means one bad trade that you didn't cut in time wipes out an entire morning or even a single afternoon of profits.
I love my money. I love just taking it, dumping it in the toilet.
But it's not unfixable. Fix the ratio, build the intuition, trade what fits your psychology, and those 3 things will move the needle more than any new indicator or any new strategy that you can try. If this helped, you already know what to do. See you in the next one.